Hi there, today I'm unboxing a mini body camera. So this particular camera is by a company called Ehomful and the model is E017. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So this particular camera is a wearable camera. So it just clips onto your body and you can quickly initiate record. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. Plain packaging, no real details on there. Some model details there, made in China, and that's it. Okay, let's open it up, see what you get in the packaging. So, cloth to wipe the lens if you wanted to. The actual camera, and it looks like a strap to connect to it. Okay, got some foam there. Let's pull out what else is in here. Okay, got a thank you card and some instructions. So let's have a look briefly at the instructions. All in English on both sides, that's good. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging. So let's have a look at the strap that comes with it. So a wearable strap, so you can actually put it around your neck if you wanted to, and obviously have the body camera hanging off it. If I go in close here, just give it a second, and all it is pushes in there and it's firmly attached. If I hold the sides, just releases, and that's it. So multifunctional, you can use it if you want. If you don't, just take it off. Okay, so let me show you around the body camera. So size wise, it comes in at, let me show, 11 centimeters tall, 2.5 centimeters wide, and just over a centimeter deep, so 1.1 or 1.2-ish. On the actual device itself, you've got a clip to attach to your clothing, so you can just slot it in. You've got the lens just over here, and you've got the microphone point there. If I look on this side, come in closer, you've got a switch to turn off, go to video mode, so you can make video recordings, and a sound recording mode there. So that's pretty cool. If I go to the end and pull the end off, got a USB point to charge and a micro USB slot to actually record your recordings onto. So not bad, not ultra small, but still fairly reasonably sized. Okay, so next, let me show you actually how to set this up. So I'll pull the cover off and I'll put in my micro SD card. So I've got a 2 gig card here. Just goes straight into the gap here and clips in. Then what you do, you go to your computer or laptop, just spin it around, plug it in, give it a moment, should pick it up. There you go, it's just appeared. Weird Explorer. So if I move it slightly this way, and what we'll do for first usage, we'll just format it. So let me just right click on the drive, we'll select format, do a quick format on there. Okay, format's complete, we'll close that off, and there you go. So it's just there. So if I now unplug it and then plug it in again, so this is a clean drive on there. So obviously the mini SD card's been formatted. So let's give it a moment. And there you go. So it's appeared now, and what you'll notice is there'll be a file on there called settime.txt. If you double click that, you can actually set the time you want on the recordings you get. So that's the first thing. And you can charge it obviously by having it plugged in to a USB charge point. So now it's got a drive in there. Very simple to initiate a recording. You don't need to put the cover on, but I'll put it on just for demonstration purposes. So Let's come in close if we can. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to flip over to video, which is just the one in the middle. Hang on, yeah, and it just clips into place. What you'll notice, light comes on there. So when you're ready to record, all you do is just click the top. Okay, flashes a few times and then the light goes out. That means recording's initiated. So I'll record a little bit of footage, and then once you're done, click the button, light comes on for a moment, and that's it. Now you can just turn it off. If you wanted to do voice recording, green light comes on, and again you can just hit the top. Three flashes on there, and that's it, it's started. So simple as that to use, and I'll hit it now. That's stopped now, and I can just go and put it back into the off position. Just show on there. There you go. Simple as that to use. So next, let me show you some sample footage and a sample of the recording you can make on this. Okay, so I've done some recordings, very simple to access now. So if I pull the cover off, flip it over and just plug it in, give it a second for the laptop to pick it up. Okay, there you go, it's popped open, and we've got two folders, record. So record actually has the voice recordings on there. So let me briefly play that. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the quality you're getting for around a distance of 30 centimeters away from the device. This is the distance of about a meter you're getting. So not too bad in terms of sound quality. Next, let me show the other folder. So that's called video, and this is where I've just popped into the back area of the house and just done a short recording. So you're getting 1080p on this. And in terms of frames per second, supposedly it's 30 frames per second. Battery life wise, if it's charged up fully for audio recordings, you're going to get 7 hours, and video wise, you're going to get 4 hours. So there you go. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and setup of this mini body camera. Pretty simple to set up and use. I like the fact that it's just a simple case of just flipping a switch and you've gone into the record mode you need. So either video or audio. Nice to have both the facilities, and again, no messing around with this. You can just plug it into your laptop and pull the footage off, or pull the mini SD card, which you're going to have in here, and put that into your computer and then pull the footage off. So very simple to use and nice design there. Obviously can be hidden quite well if you wanted to. There you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.